Oh, hi. I'm glad you guys are back. So, listen, the other guy, the smart guy with the charm and the nice camera, said he had some really important shit to do and was not going to be around for a little bit. He had some sort of, I don't know, it sounded pretty fucking dire when he said it to me. So it's just going to be us for a little bit here, which is good, because actually I wanted to talk to you guys for a minute anyway. Just the two of us. Three of us? There's probably three of us. Just three of us at this point. The other guy seems to think we have answered pretty handily the why question. But I'll tell you, either one of you guys, I don't really feel like I have an answer as to why I'm doing what I'm doing. I mean, I know why I'm making the bike. I know that. Oh, sorry, muttering. I know why I'm building the fucking bicycle. I know this, but I'm wondering why it is I'm bothering to record it and put it out on YouTube, where I'm sure I'm just going to be yelled at and made fun of and called stupid, and I mean, all these things which I already know, but why would I offer it up for someone else to just fucking tell me? I don't know, guys. I do know. I figured it out. It hit me the other day like a fucking bucket, like a ton of fucking bricks. I'm doing this because I want to have a record of it. I don't fuck with the social medias anymore. I don't do any of that crap. I don't do none of it. And I honestly feel that I think this is important enough, to me anyway, that at some point I might want to come back and watch it. I don't want anything from you. I don't want your money. I don't want your subscription. I don't give a fuck if you thumbs up. I don't give a fuck if you thumbs down. I'm not going to read the comments. I don't give a shit. I want this to be out there for me to look at sometime down the line and say, oh yeah, guess what? I actually did a thing at one point that I'm happy with. So, if you guys want to come along, that's fucking rad. If you don't, that's fucking rad too. Either way, I feel better knowing that at the end of the day, this whole fucking process is only going to please one ass, and that one's going to be mine. So what I am actually doing is I'm trying to mark these down kind of low. The fucking hole saw got all cattywampus. It's like the guy that was driving it was impaired. So I'm just kind of trying to scribe these all at about a similar length. I've got them sitting on this surface plate. Oops. And by surface plate, I mean surface plate glass, of course. So they sit there. Got this little chunk of aluminium, and I'm just trying to give myself a little scribe line. I don't know if you can see that. Do you give a fuck? I don't know. So this whole, like, I don't care sort of thing may sound heartless, but I honestly think it's going to be the better for all of us, for all three of us, me and the two of you guys watching. I think it's going to be better, because I think really there's enough fucking people that are trying to pander and get something out of you. They want your money, they want your time, they want your subscriptions for their ad costs, they want something, you know. And I spent so many fucking years consuming media without subscribing to a fucking thing or paying for shit or doing any of that. I don't expect anyone to do the same for me. I don't expect anyone to do anything different for me. I don't give a fuck. Don't subscribe. Don't thumbs up. Don't give a shit. I don't fucking care. I don't want your money. I don't want your money. I don't want the fucking ad revenue. I don't give a fuck. I just want this is important. It means something.
This means something. This is important.
If the only thing you guys ever get out of this is going, holy fuck, you know, no matter what else I do, as long as I don't do anything that asinine, I'm gonna be fine. That's valuable too sometimes. Sandhill crane. probably can't, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. More than 15 sandhill crane. Fucking New Mexico in the fall, dude. Behold the majesty of fucking nature, guys. Actually, those crane made me think of our today's sponsor, Sandhill Cranes. Enter the discount code IDIOTBOX at checkout to save at least 15% off of your first order of Sandhill Cranes. Sandhill Crane. You thought they were whooping cranes since 1986. Hot dog and hallway comes to mind there. So what I want to try to do, the point is to try to make this so this fucking bottom bracket sort of fits in here. I think it looks to me like sitting on that piece of aluminum, where we're hitting first is this seam right down here. So I think what I'm going to do is take the opportunity to remove material from the side that has the seam on it. Yeah, that's a problem. Okay, so truth be told, there's more room in there than I thought there was going to be. I mean, it's not like... I mean, you're not going to have fucking company going through there, but there's space. You like dags? You like dags?
Dags? You like dags?
Oh, dogs. Sure. I like dags.
Hi, dogs. What are you dogs doing? What are you doing? Oh, goodness. Okay. Hi. Hi. Okay. Hi there. Hi. What we do so there's the big no. Oh. Man, it was mauled by a pit bull. Anyway, I'm saying this is fucking insanely tight. Insanely tight. There's probably, man, there might be a 1/4 inch on that, each side of that spring. Is this a good idea? Nope. You ready for some more free content that's somehow worth less than you paid for it? Remember these? Yeah, we're gonna get back to those in 1 second. I gotta fucking talk about something though. This has been bugging the shit out of me. It honestly has, because I spent a real long goddamn time phoning this fucking joke in. I hope you guys can see. This is I had this whole plan, right? I had this whole thing about how my stupid bike jig, right, is gonna be, oh, you know, you can choose. It's gonna be slack or steep or high or low or awesome or boring for the engineers or long or short. And there was gonna be a button and it wasn't gonna work because what was gonna have happened is in all of the fracas, it was gonna turn out that it was gonna be out of gas. And then it was gonna run on something really expensive like fucking bull sperm or scorpion venom or something dumb like that. But you know what? I've been thinking about this for days and trying to figure out a way to work this in and make it funny. And you know what? It's fucking not. This is dumb. So we're gonna fix this because this is stupid. And it was making me think I don't need, it made me think two things. First off, it completely and totally denuded my progress because I was too worried about making the stupid joke than I was about working on the bike. And it just, God, I don't want to have to walk that far to look stupid. I don't need any help looking stupid. I need to set shit up. I mean, I put little band-aids on it. I was gonna, you know, it's what you get when your buddy says I can wire it for $500, and it just fucking feels so forced and so stupid. So I'm gonna get rid of it. But it's worth pointing out, I think, part of me was like, well, just fucking throw it away, dude. Shut up. Oh, there was going to be a fuse. We were going to check the fuse, right? Because there's a fuse. God damn, though. I should have just worked on the bike. For the couple of hours I'd spent dicking around with wiring and fucking license plates and drilling holes and dumb shit and whatever. You know, it just sits back. It's just a joke, right? It's just a funny, you know, it was going to be funny. But honestly, it made me think. You guys can get stupid anywhere. You can get stupid anywhere. And you can get better stupid. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Yes. Come say hi to the people. Hi. Yes. We're just talking. It's okay. You can get stupid anywhere. You can get stupid anywhere. You can get it done better than me. And I will tell you this. I guarantee I'm never going to be the smartest guy on this platform. I'm never going to be the smartest guy trying to build a bike. I'm never going to be the smartest guy in any room anywhere. But I'm not going to do fucking stupid on purpose. Okay? I'm not going to do dumb on purpose. Ain't going to happen. So, let's, back to these. I don't think you guys can see, but there's a big piece right in the middle of these that isn't quite bicycle tubing yet. So, I'm going to mark these up real fast and then take them out and cut them out. Yeah, back in a minute. The fuck am I doing? All right, so like I said, we're gonna go ahead and try to cut this. Only a fucking idiot would cut this with an angle grinder. So I got these cut down. I went ahead and marked the sides so I don't mix up which ones are which. I got both. I just don't want them. I don't want them to get mixed up, so I just mark them so you don't lose them. But what we're gonna do. Basically what the fucking point of all that was is to flip that over like that. I just took all that not bike part. Not for bikes. It's really hard to see, but that definitely says not for bikes on there. So I took that part out to make it approximately, yeah, give or take the width of our bottom bracket. I mean, it's not good. It's not good, but it could be a lot worse. All right, I think those are done enough out here on this. I gotta tell you, there is nothing like the right tool for the job. And this here, this is nothing like the right tool for the job. And I swear to God, I don't know why the fuck you would do this. If I wasn't too lazy to plug the air hose in, I would have been done by now. Never seen one person work so fucking hard to be lazy. Yeah, you have. Yeah, you have. Come on, this can't be your first fucking time. I mean, really, the banter. Doing good with the banter. It's fucking excellent. Keeps me. That's what keeps me coming back. Really, the constant entertaining banter. What the fuck do you want me to say? I'm sanding. I'm still sanding. It still sucks. I'm still bored. I'd still rather be doing something else. But you still need to do it. So shut up and sand, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. Or go watch fucking cartoons and come back in a while. I'll be here. I think UHF is on for free right now. Yeah, go watch half of UHF and then come back and finish this up and you'll have an idea of like how long I gotta spend sanding